We're going to get this match going. 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go in the autonomous portion. Everyone races out. Red Alliance quickly picks up one of those mobile goals. Blue Alliance picks up a mobile goal, and they have 2 cones stacked on top of it. Will they be able to release? Red Alliance, they get in position. Can they let go? Just as time expires, but Red Alliance wins autonomous. Drivers take control in 3, 2, 1, go. Our Red Alliance in this match, that's going to be 3631Z, and their partners 9605A. And on the blue side in this match, we have 12C and 2921S. Everybody races out. Everyone has a mobile goal in their possession already. Blue Alliance starts the stack. Red Alliance already getting their stack going as well. Blue Alliance has to make up that 10-point deficit if they want to win this match. 12C has a stack going. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stacked up already. Red Alliance 3631Z. They're in position. They are building up their stack on that mobile goal. As we get under 1 minute left in the match. Blue Alliance goes. They cap 1. They cap 2. They cap 3. 1. We're going on? We're going to put it on there. 4 on that stationary goal. 2921S. They make their way over. They pick up another one. Oh, and down goes that stack from 3631Z. Cascading onto the floor, onto their drivers. 12C, they have a mobile goal in their possession. They release as we get down to 30 seconds. 30 seconds left in the match. Red Alliance starts to cap on those stationary goals. They went 1 up. They went 2 up on the Blue Alliance. 2921S, they have a big stack going. They're going to make their way over. They have this the cone on top. They get in position. They release. Great job by the Blue Alliance. 2921S scoring a very large stack there. Double digits in right there. And blue, oh, could they release that? We'll let our